In this video, we listed the 5 best ANYCUBIC 3D printer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon D2 DLP 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon D2 3D printer, originating from mainland China, offers a unique set of features for precise printing. With no auto-leveling function and support for the English language, this printer achieves a maximum printing speed of $2.5s per layer. It does not require consumables with a diameter, and utilizes ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop as its slice software, compatible with all file formats. Operating on DLP molding technology and a voltage range of 110-220 V, the printer features a USB interface and holds CE certification. Under the brand name ANYCUBIC and ANYCUBIC model Photon D2, this printer provides a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution for users seeking high-quality results. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X. The ANYCUBIC 3D printer, originating from mainland China under the brand name ANYCUBIC, offers a range of features for precise and efficient printing. With a printing speed range of 15 to 60 mm per hour and a maximum printing speed of 60 mm per hour, this printer does not include auto-leveling functionality and supports the English language. It utilizes ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop 3.0 Free Slicer as its slice software, with a maximum print size of 200 x 195, 84 x 122, 4 mm. Operating on a voltage range of 110-220 V, the printer features a USB interface and holds CE certification. With a power supply of 80 W, the printer includes a 3.5-inch resistive touchscreen control panel and 4-point manual leveling. The LCD lifespan is rated at 2,000 hours, and it utilizes an ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source. The printer also offers a large film protector with a replaceable design for added durability and protection against scratches, providing users with a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing solution. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2MA. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D printer, manufactured by ANYCUBIC and originating from mainland China, offers a comprehensive set of features for high-quality 3D printing. Operating on a Cartesian structure with default filament detection and new ANYCUBIC machine leveling, this FDM-FAF type printer boasts a printing platform of PL magnetic spring steel measuring 16.5 x 16.5 inches, 420 by 420 mm. Equipped with a double metal spindle for the X-Y axis and a double motor double Z axis for the Z axis, the printer features a direct extruder with double gears and a cooling fan RPM of 7,000. It includes a 4.3-inch LCD touch control screen for easy operation and 3 USB ports for data input. Weighing 21 kilograms, the printer has a hotbed temperature of 194 F 90 degrees Celsius and a nozzle temperature of 500 F/260 degrees C with a replaceable 0.4 mm diameter nozzle. The machine dimensions are 29.1 x 28.9 x 25.2 inches, 740 x 735 by 640 mm, with a 32-bit silent motherboard and a printing volume of 23.2 gallons, 88-2L. Compatible with printing materials like PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG, the printer offers a maximum printing speed of 19 teens, 7 inches s 500 mm per s, and typical speed of 11.8 inches s 300 mm per s. The power supply is a 500W safe power supply, and the package includes various components for assembly and operation. With CE certification and a 1-year warranty, this ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Max 3D printer provides users with a reliable and versatile 3D printing solution. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M5S. The ANYCUBIC Photon M3 3D printer, produced by Gusla in mainland China, features a 10.1-inch 12K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 1152/5120, delivering exquisite detail with an X accuracy of 19 microns. This printer offers leveling-free operation with a unique mechanical sensor system that automatically adjusts the printing platform during printing, ensuring optimal leveling and improving success rates. With a printing speed of up to 105 mm/h, facilitated by high-speed resin and a release film, the Photon M3 provides efficient and fast printing. Intelligent features such as auto device check, resin detection, and upgraded slicer software enhance printing efficiency and success rates. The printer's new support algorithm and intelligent mode in ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop 3.1 optimize exposure parameters and support structures for improved stability and success rates. With a CE certification, a 4.3 TFT touch control panel, and a weight of 19.6 pounds, 8.9 kilograms, the ANYCUBIC Photon M3 offers advanced 3D printing capabilities in a user-friendly package that is readily available for purchase. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Photon M3 Max. The ANYCUBIC 13.6-inch large-screen 3D printer, manufactured by Gusla under the brand name ANYCUBIC, boasts a 7K resolution and high-precision ball-screw Z-axis rail for detailed printing experiences. With features like the ANYCUBIC Auto Resin Filler for intelligent resin filling and stopping, the printer offers hands-free resin management. Equipped with the ANYCUBIC Li-Turbo light source system and a contrast ratio of 450:1, this printer ensures sharp details and fast printing speeds of up to 60 mm/h, significantly reducing printing time. The machine, with a build size of 2981/64,300 mm, allows for expansive creativity and detailed prints, while the dedicated and replaceable screen protector safeguards the premium 13.6 7K screen. The ANYCUBIC Photon Workshop Slicer software, fully compatible with all ANYCUBIC resin printers, provides professional slicing capabilities without the need for third-party software, enhancing user convenience and saving costs. With a 4.3 resistive touch control panel, USB-A 2.0 data input, and a weight of 21 kilograms, 46.3 pounds, this 3D printer from ANYCUBIC offers a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design for a seamless printing experience.